Ready to transform your camping adventures? In this video, we're showcasing the 15 coolest camping gear and gadgets that blend innovation, comfort, and durability. From portable power stations to clever cooking solutions, these must-have tools will elevate your outdoor experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, join us as we explore the ultimate gear guide to make your next wilderness trip epic and unforgettable. Ready to upgrade your outdoor eating game? Meet the EATi Mag, your all-in-one camp kitchen powerhouse packed into a sleek titanium frame. Whether you're deep in the woods or chilling lakeside, this isn't just a fork or a spoon, it's a spork, knife, tongs, bottle opener, cutting board, and more. Its magnetic click system makes it incredibly satisfying and easy to assemble, clean, and carry. No more fumbling through your backpack looking for individual tools. This baby replaces up to 12 pieces of gear. And guess what? It's ultra lightweight and tough as nails, thanks to its titanium body. Whether you're a minimalist trekker or a glamping gourmet, the EATi Mag saves space, weight, and time, all while looking super sleek. You'll feel like a survivalist chef out there. So, if you're serious about packing smarter and eating better in the wild, this is the one tool you can't afford to leave behind. Your adventure just got a gourmet upgrade. Say goodbye to boring old tents and step into the future with Xeno Nest, the world's first two-story inflatable air house. Yes, you heard that right. This futuristic masterpiece sets up in just 4 minutes and gives you 2 levels of pure outdoor luxury. Perfect for group camping, families, or even couples who want space and style, the Xeno Nest has everything you never thought possible in a tent, including a living room-style space and a second floor to sleep under the stars. It's tough, weather-resistant, and designed with comfort in mind. Think tiny home vibes, but totally portable. And the best part? You don't need a team of people or a toolbox. Just pump and chill. Whether you're heading to a music fest, a mountainside, or a scenic lake, the Xeno Nest lets you camp like royalty. This is next-level glamping, and honestly, once you try it, you'll never look at your old tent the same way again. Xeno Nest is the future, and the future is inflatable. Here's one for the ultralight adventurers. Introducing the Trek Tent, the genius 2-in-1 hiking stick that transforms into a tent. This is not your grandpa's trekking pole. When the sun sets and it's time to crash, your walking stick becomes your fully functional, weather-resistant tent. All in under a minute. Yep, 1 pole, 1 shelter, 0 nonsense. It's perfect for solo hikers, through trekkers, and anyone tired of lugging bulky tent gear around. The Trek Tent saves weight, space, and setup stress, making it an absolute must-have for minimalist camping. Imagine hiking deep into the backcountry, reaching your spot, popping open your tent, and relaxing while others are still wrestling with poles and stakes. Plus, it's super durable and packs down into a compact size that fits easily into any pack. It's smart, sleek, and built for the trailblazer in you. If you're ready to hike lighter and sleep smarter, the Trek Tent is your new best trail buddy. Forget soggy sandwiches and instant noodles. The Warden Outdoors camping kitchen set is here to turn your campfire meals into gourmet outdoor feasts. This isn't just a cooking kit. It's a full-blown portable kitchen, packed with over 35 stainless steel essentials. We're talking plates, cups, bowls, a frying pan, kettle, grill grate, utensils, everything you need to whip up real meals in the wild. Whether you're car camping or going full survival mode, this kit is built to handle it all. Everything comes neatly organized in a compact, durable carry case, so you can set up and pack down in seconds. The stainless steel construction means it's tough, easy to clean, and ready for fire. Literally. With Warden Outdoors, you're not just camping, you're cooking like a boss under the open sky. So ditch the freeze-dried mystery meals and bring the flavor wherever you roam. The wild is calling and it's hungry. Answer with Warden Outdoors. Power up your next adventure with the DeepSolar 3-in-1 Ultimate Outdoor Power Companion, a game-changing gadget that's as essential as your tent. Packed with a 20,000 mAh battery, this beast keeps your devices charged with 40-watt fast charging, even when you're completely off-grid. And yes, it recharges itself via solar power. How cool is that? Rain or shine, this rugged beast is IP68 waterproof and shockproof, meaning it laughs in the face of storms and rocky trails. But wait, it's not just a power bank. DeepSolar doubles as a multi-mode camping lantern, giving you bright, adjustable light for chilling at camp, cooking dinner, or late-night bathroom trips. Whether you're a photographer, hiker, digital nomad, or just someone who wants their phone working in the middle of nowhere, this compact powerhouse keeps your gear alive. Lightweight, tough, and insanely functional. DeepSolar is like having a generator in your backpack. Don't just camp. Camp smart. Camp charged. Camp bright. Tired of looking for two perfect trees? Say hello to Mach 1. The world's first compact folding hammock that doesn't need trees, straps, or complicated setups. This all-in-one, standalone hammock folds up into a sleek backpack-ready bundle and sets up anywhere. From the forest floor to your backyard, beach, or balcony, it's got a built-in stand, breathable fabric, and a super stable design, so you can kick back, relax, and rock your soul to sleep, no matter where your feet land. Add on the sunshade, bug net, or quilt and boom. You've got the ultimate relaxation station. Whether you're off-grid or just chilling at camp, Mach 1 is built for comfort, convenience, and pure chill vibes. Lightweight, tough, totally tree-free. This isn't just a hammock, it's freedom in a frame. So go ahead, set it up, lay back, and mock gravity with the most versatile outdoor nap spot ever invented. Think your car's just for driving? Think again. With CARSULE, your hatchback just became your new mobile cabin getaway. This genius pop-up cube transforms the back of your car into a spacious, weatherproof living space. In just minutes. Whether you're road tripping, camping, or turning a parking lot into your weekend escape, CARSULE gives you a 6-foot-plus headroom, mesh windows, and a weatherproof seal to stay comfy in any climate. It folds flat, sets up easy, and gives you way more room than a basic car tent. Work remotely with a view, lounge with a breeze, or crash in comfort after a long hike. It's got that modern glamping vibe that turns your car into a cozy adventure base camp. Designed with travelers, creators, and weekend warriors in mind, the CARSULE is freedom on 4 wheels. Trust us, once you pop it up, you'll wonder how you ever camped without it. This isn't just a cooler, it's the ultimate outdoor party machine. The coolest cooler packs everything you could ever want for a day at the beach, tailgate, or campsite. It's got a built-in blender to whip up margaritas, a Bluetooth speaker to blast your playlist, USB charger for your devices, and even a cutting board and ceramic knife for snack prep. Oh, and it still keeps your drinks icy for days. With huge rugged wheels, gear tie-downs, and an LED lid light for night use, this thing screams, "Bring the fun!" Whether you're hosting a BBQ or hitting the lake, the coolest cooler combines modern tech and classic chill in one smart package. It's not just cold, it's cool. Forget dragging 5 different gadgets to your picnic spot. This beast does it all: power, sound, storage, and drinks, all in one. Now that's how you revolutionize a cooler. Minimalist campers, meet your new MVP, the Muncher. A titanium beast that's 10 tools in one slim, sleek utensil. Fork? Check. Spoon? Yup. Bottle opener? peeler, can opener, fire flint, screwdriver, box cutter, cord cutter, and even a spatula edge, all packed into one ultralight wonder. Weighing just 0.7 oz, it's tougher than steel, fire-safe, and adventure-ready. Whether you're scooping chili, flipping bacon, or tightening a screw on your gear, the Muncher has your back. Plus, it comes with a Hypalon pouch and carabiner to clip right onto your pack. No more losing tools or digging through messy kits. Whether you're backpacking, van lifing, or just heading out for a picnic, this one tool does it all and looks seriously badass doing it. Compact, durable, insanely versatile. The Muncher isn't just a utensil, it's your survival sidekick. Go wild, eat well, and travel light. This is not your ordinary backpack. The Freestyle BivyPack is a total game changer. A 32-liter ultralight pack that transforms into a full waterproof bivy tent in minutes. Imagine finishing your hike, unzipping your bag, and unfolding your shelter. Boom, camp set. No separate tent to carry. No extra poles or setup drama. It weighs just over 2 pounds, making it perfect for thru hikers, minimalists, and fast packers. The bivy section features durable Dyneema fabric, a waterproof floor, bug mesh, and a quick pitch pole sleeve. Plus, it's built with padded shoulder straps and breathable back support, so you're comfy on the move. Rain or shine, you're protected. This is backpacking redefined. Smart, compact, and built for freedom. Freestyle BivyPack saves weight, saves space, and turns your backpack into your shelter. Now that's wild. Meet the SkyNest, a 4-in-1 ultralight hammock tent hybrid that's ready for action in under 60 seconds. Whether you're deep in the woods or chilling at a beach, SkyNest gives you a floating, protected all-weather shelter. It works as a hammock, tent, rainfly, and bug net, all rolled into one smart, compact system. Weighing less than 3 pounds, it's made from tough ripstop nylon and comes with everything you need to set up: tree straps, carabiners, integrated poles, and even a stuff sack that doubles as a gear pouch. Rainstorm? No problem. SkyNest has a waterproof fly. Bugs? The mesh keeps them out while you relax inside. Ground too rough for a tent? Just hang this up and you're good to go. Whether you're a weekend warrior, backpacker, or just hate fumbling with gear, SkyNest is the all-in-one hammock tent that gets you outside. Faster, lighter, and better. This is comfort that hangs with you wherever you roam. When the wilderness calls, answer with the EATi Kit, the ultimate modular outdoor survival system designed for every kind of explorer. Whether you're hiking, overlanding, or just prepping for emergencies, KEA's got you covered with 40+ essential tools neatly packed into a compact, durable pouch. We're talking fire starters, water filtration, first aid, emergency shelter, repair tools, and more. All organized in color-coded quick-access pods. No digging, no chaos. Just smart, intuitive design that's ready when you are. The KEATi Kit is waterproof, shock-resistant, and attaches easily to backpacks, bikes, or inside your car. It's built for real-life survival, not just Instagram-ready camping. And the best part? You can swap out components or customize it for your trip. Whether it's a backcountry mission or a family day hike, KEA helps you feel prepared, not panicked. One kit, every adventure. KEA is your pocket-sized survival partner in the wild. The Gear Sled, crafted by Mike Wofsy, is a versatile, ultralight folding sled designed for year-round adventures across snow, ice, grass, or sand. Ideal for camping, ice fishing, skiing, or beach parties, this durable sled effortlessly hauls coolers, grills, and gear, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, setting up in seconds without sacrificing strength. The optional Snow Swarm box, a translucent clip-on storage unit with a battery-powered LED light, securely holds small items like gloves or snacks, enhancing nighttime usability. Available in various colors and special editions, it includes a repair kit with a fix-it clip for on-the-go fixes. Made in Colorado, the Gear Sled combines rugged durability with a lightweight frame, perfect for moving heavy loads over diverse terrains. Whether you're trekking to a remote campsite or hosting a beach gathering, this innovative sled simplifies gear transport, ensuring your adventure stays fun and hassle-free. Say goodbye to stiff necks and restless nights. Meet the Woolshire Wool Camp Pillow, the cozy comfort king of the backcountry. Crafted with 100% natural wool fill and a buttery soft organic cotton cover. This isn't just a pillow, it's a slice of home, packed small for the trail. Whether you're in a tent, under the stars, or car camping, Woolshire keeps you cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold, thanks to its temperature-regulating wool. It compresses down perfectly into your pack, but fluffs up like a dream when you need it. Unlike those noisy plastic air pillows, this one is whisper quiet, breathable, and eco-friendly. It's machine washable, naturally hypoallergenic, and made to last through years of rugged adventures. Your head deserves better than a rolled-up jacket. Give it the comfort of handcrafted luxury with the Woolshire pillow. Camp like you care. Sleep like you're home. Fire up your campsite and your gadgets at the same time with the BioLite CampStove, the wildest fusion of flame and tech ever made. This isn't just a stove, it's a mini power plant that converts fire into usable electricity. Cook your meals, boil water, and charge your phone. All from sticks, twigs, or pine cones you find around camp. No gas canisters, no wires, just real flames and real innovation. The built-in battery stores excess power, and the fan system makes sure your fire stays hot and smoke-free. Plus, it comes with an optional grill top or kettle to make mealtime even easier. BioLite is perfect for backpackers, off-gridders, or anyone who wants to travel light but live smart. It's eco-friendly, off-grid genius that keeps you powered wherever you go. This is more than cooking. It's next-gen survival gear that turns your fire into fuel for the future. That's our rundown of the 15 coolest camping gear and gadgets. From compact stoves to innovative shelters, these tools bring comfort and convenience to any outdoor adventure. Ready to hit the trails? Which gadget is your must-have? Share below and plan your next epic trip. Happy camping!